So our new setup is where the X on top is marked. We moved the camera up, thank God. Two of them, they would have totally been flooded and ruined. The beaver on the right, by the way, this is the original place where cameras were all winter long, down on the bottom, and beaver is going to let out a big fart now. This beaver has been lots of fun. A daytime shot, X is where the old camera used to be, and now the storm begins. The day after the storm, water is already slowing down. Beaver is coming up where he normally has to walk. Now he can swim. And the water level, to show you again, is about three or so feet, maybe someplace 4 feet higher than where it is in that dry channel that we normally have the camera sitting. It was an amazing event to watch on a trail camera. And the beaver returns. Actually, that was before. The beaver is coming in to mark his territory, letting out another big fart. I love getting beaver in daytime. It's another rare event. And I say thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe below.